The cloud has changed everything. This is especially true for networking. In the past, building a network was slow and expensive. You needed to buy hardware and manage it yourself. The AWS cloud changes all of that. AWS Cloud Networking provides a scalable and flexible infrastructure for your applications. It enables you to connect your resources securely and efficiently. It gives you complete control over your networking environment. Traditional networking can't keep up with the demands of today's applications. The AWS cloud is different. It's designed for agility and growth. Networking is the foundation of any cloud infrastructure. With AWS Cloud Networking, you can build and scale your applications with confidence. At the heart of AWS Cloud Networking is Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC. This service lets you create a private network space for your AWS resources. It is a virtual network dedicated to your AWS account. Think of it as your own private network in the cloud. Amazon VPC gives you complete control over your networking environment. You can define your own IP address range, create subnets, and configure route tables and network gateways. You have full control over your virtual networking environment, including IP address ranges, subnet creation, and route table configuration. With Amazon VPC, you can isolate your resources and applications. This enhances security by controlling inbound and outbound traffic. You can connect your VPC to your on-premises network. This lets you seamlessly extend your existing infrastructure to the cloud. Amazon VPC is scalable, cost-effective, and secure. It gives you the flexibility to design and manage your network the way you want. It's an essential service for anyone using AWS. Within your VPC, you create subnets to logically segment your network. Subnets are a way to divide your VPC into smaller, isolated networks. Each subnet is associated with a CIDR block, an IP addressing scheme that defines the range of IP addresses within that subnet. You can launch AWS resources like EC2 instances into your subnets. There are two types of subnets, public and private. A public subnet is open to the internet, while a private subnet is not. To connect your VPC to the internet, you use an internet gateway. Think of it as a virtual door that allows traffic to flow between your VPC and the internet. Conversely, a NAT gateway lets resources in a private subnet connect to the internet without having public IP addresses. Route tables are the traffic directors of your VPC. They determine where traffic goes. You can configure routes to direct traffic between subnets, to the internet gateway, or to your on-premises network. Security is paramount in the cloud. AWS provides robust security features to protect your VPC and the resources within it. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for your EC2 instances, controlling inbound and outbound traffic based on rules you define. Network Access Control Lists, NACLs, provide an extra layer of security at the subnet level. You can use NACLs to define rules that control traffic entering and leaving your subnets. Amazon VPC integrates seamlessly with other AWS services. You can use it with services like Amazon EC2, autoscaling, elastic load balancing, Amazon S3, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon RDS, and Amazon Workspaces. This makes it easy to build and manage complex applications in the cloud. To get started with Amazon VPC, you can use the AWS Management Console, the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, or AWS SDKs. AWS provides documentation and resources to help you learn and master VPC networking. By understanding the fundamentals of Amazon VPC, you can build secure, scalable, and cost-effective cloud applications on AWS.